Let's talk about something you interact with every single day but probably don't think much about: water. Specifically, I want to explain why water behaves differently from most other liquids. Most substances contract when they freeze. They get smaller and denser. Water does the opposite. When water freezes into ice, it actually expands. This is why ice floats. If water behaved like other liquids, ice would sink to the bottom of lakes and oceans, and aquatic life as we know it would not survive. So why does this happen? It comes down to hydrogen bonding. In liquid water, hydrogen bonds between molecules are constantly forming and breaking. But as the temperature drops towards 0 degrees Celsius, the molecules slow down and arrange themselves into a rigid open structure, a crystal lattice. This lattice takes up more space than the disorganized liquid form, which is why ice is less dense than water. This property isn't just a curiosity. It has enormous consequences for climate, geology, and biology. For example, the layer of ice that forms on the surface of a lake acts as insulation, keeping the water below warm enough for fish and other organisms to survive through winter. We'll look at more of these ecological implications in Thursday's class.